In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade an email plan on Hostinger. If you're running into storage limits or planning to add more mailboxes, upgrading your email plan is a quick way to give your inbox more room and features without disrupting your day-to-day work. I'll walk you through the entire process, explain what to look for at each step, and share a few tips to make sure everything applies correctly. First, log into your Hostinger account and head to the email section. From your dashboard, open the email service connected to the domain where the mailbox you want to upgrade lives. If you manage multiple domains or mailboxes, take a moment to confirm you're in the right place before moving forward. It helps to know which exact address needs the upgrade so you don't apply changes to the wrong mailbox. Next, click the current email plan linked to that address to view its details. This page shows what you're working with now, such as your storage allocation, the number of available mailboxes, and any included features. It's a good idea to check how much storage you're actually using and what limits you're bumping into. That way, you'll choose an upgrade that meaningfully solves the problem rather than overspending. When you're ready, select the option to upgrade your email plan. You'll usually find this as a prominent button within the plan details. If you don't see it, make sure you're looking at the correct mailbox and that your current plan isn't already at the highest tier. Clicking upgrade will take you to the plan comparison or checkout flow. Now pick the upgraded plan you want and complete the payment process. Compare the tiers based on storage per mailbox, total mailboxes, and any add-ons that matter to you. Pay special attention to the billing cycle, currency, and any taxes or promotional discounts shown at checkout. Before you finalize, confirm that the selected plan is tied to the correct domain and mailbox. Once everything looks right, submit your payment to apply the upgrade. After payment, return to the email section to confirm the change. Open the mailbox or plan details again and check that your new storage or mailbox limits are active. Sometimes this updates immediately. Other times, it may take a few minutes. Refresh the page and look for the increased capacity in the usage or quota indicators. For peace of mind, send and receive a quick test message to ensure everything functions as expected. If the new limits don't appear after a short wait, reach out to Hostinger support for assistance. And that's it. Your upgraded email plan is now in place.